Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this gorgeous updo. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that right now. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Starting off by parting our hair into 4 equal sections. This is going to help me by getting the perfect updo. So I'm not using any extension for the updo. It's just only our hair. I'm going to start with the front section, then I'll move to the other one and then go straight to the back till I'm done with the updo. For this style, I won't be using any form of gel, just minimal hair oil to just, grease our scalp to avoid itchiness. And the oil I'm using in this video is castor oil. This video is actually very self-explanatory. You can see what I'm doing, and it's very straightforward as long as you can cornrow. So this is going to be a very easy hairstyle for you. Now I'm done with the front part, and this is what it's looking like right now. So we're going to move to the back section now. I had to put her head on my body just so she can be comfortable. that's the updo. Now the next thing is to create our ponytail. I wanted to do the drawstring type, but I didn't have all the necessary things, so I decided to do this style instead. Basically what I'm doing is adding the pre-braided box braid into a elastic band, and this is what it's looking like. So now I'm going to tie it to the updo that I made, and I'm going to make sure it's a bit tight, not too tight, so it doesn't get uncomfortable. I actually asked her if it was not too tight and she said no. Then I'm going to cut off the excess elastic band. I'm going to use 2 bobby pins to secure it so it doesn't come off later. That is basically all I did for this hairstyle. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Because I actually enjoyed making this hairstyle. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and make sure to turn off the notification bell so you get notified whenever I have a new upload. So I'm just trimming off the excess hair, and that's it. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.